just get comfortable, either in a chair or laying down. I want you to feel yourself in a place you can go in your mind that feels so comfortable and safe and tranquil. And as you are there now in your mind, your sanctuary place, take a nice deep breath and let that feeling move throughout your body. Just take a few deep breaths and feel the air, how it makes your abdomen rise as you pull that oxygen down, deep down into your belly, beautifully rounded with the healing, soothing oxygen. And feel now how the abdomen falls with each breath out. And you can imagine how, with each breath, you just let go. You can imagine sending out with your breath anything you don't want to feel or experience here in your safe place. And now, whenever you feel any signs of panic or anxiety or other negative emotions or intrusive thoughts, you will simply take a nice, deep breath and be reassured that all is well in your world. You understand that you are now in control of your feelings, your reactions. You are in control. And with that feeling of being in control, you realize that you have a choice in those feelings. That wonderful feeling of calm, peace, and serenity comes to you whenever you take a deep breath. You are in control. All you have to do is use your brilliant mind to focus on your breath coming in and out of your abdomen and let it all go. Anything, everything you don't want. The previous feelings of anxiety and panic are now manageable. You know you are in control, and you can control anything that is happening in your mind and body. Go ahead and just scan your body with your mind now. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Just imagine that now, scanning. Do you feel any areas of tension or negative emotions? If you sense any unwanted tension anywhere within your body, and as you locate them, you simply notice them. Don't focus on the negative, just notice. Feel them as an energy moving out of your body with your breath. Steady, deep, and tranquil breath. Because you are now in control. Anything you don't want simply moves out and away. Out and away, and that feels so good. It feels so good that you are in control. As you observe, you feel so peaceful, so calm, that everything feels and seems manageable. It is manageable. You are in control. And those previous feelings of negativity, you can now visualize like a great wind being blown out and away from you with your powerful breath. And as you visualize the powerful breath, you may see it like particles or debris just being sent out forcefully away from you. You can see all the unwanted debris just move out of every part of you. And as it moves away, all the previous feelings move away too, because you are in control. So from now on, in each moment, you are calm, relaxed, safe and tranquil, and in control. There is a new inner strength that builds up inside you, making you feel strong, yet calm. Strong and calm. And those feelings now will stay with you, increasing from moment to moment. And as each moment passes, you feel strong and calm, in control. And that feels so good. And you can repeat this mindfulness meditation anytime you want to move anything out and away from your mind with your powerful breath.